The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE class, a tech-forward and off-road capable luxury SUV. The GLE SUV offers a balance of luxury, technology, and performance that has come to be expected from the brand. With 4 available powertrains and an impressive off-road capability, it's ready to compete with rivals like the Genesis GV80 and the Volvo XC90. The 2024 model features a subtle facelift and a new plug-in hybrid powertrain. Updates include a revised front bumper, an updated grille, new lighting elements, restyled wheels, a new steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls, and additional upholstery options. The infotainment system now includes the second generation of Mercedes MBUX interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With 4 different models available, the entry-level GLE 350 offers a 255 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that provides sufficient power for most drivers while returning the best fuel economy in the lineup. The GLE 450 model brings a standard all-wheel drive and a 362 horsepower turbocharged inline-six powertrain, both utilizing 48-volt hybrid systems. The GLE 450e's plug-in hybrid powertrain consists of a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor, combining for a total of 381 horsepower. The GLE interior showcases fine materials such as genuine leather, wood, and metal, offering a true sense of luxury. The spacious interior can accommodate an optional third row of seats, and the dashboard boasts dual 12.3-inch infotainment displays filled with cutting-edge technology. The cargo area offers ample space, fitting 11 carry-on suitcases with the optional third-row seats stowed and up to 26 carry-ons with all seats folded flat. The GLE class infotainment system provides multiple ways to interact, including the MBUX voice recognition system, a touchpad on the center console, and a touch-sensitive screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot come standard, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. In summary, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE class is a tech-forward and off-road capable luxury SUV that offers a wide range of powertrains and a premium driving experience. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and strong performance, the GLE class is ready to take on its mid-size luxury SUV competitors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.